Greetings, YouTubers. Hellshade2 here. I don't know how quick this video is going to be. I got a couple of things to talk about. But this video is mainly going to be about the Arizona's illegal alien law. And just at the outset, I want to say that I'm both for it and against it for various reasons. Now, this is probably going to cause me some trouble because I'm sure there's going to be people that are going to be vehemently opposed to my view on this, be that as it may. One thing I want to say that a lot of people seem to forget is that if you cross our borders without documentation, without visa, or without being legal, that is in fact breaking our laws. And to me, if any U.S. citizen breaks the laws and has to be held accountable for breaking laws, then you cannot take an illegal alien and not also hold them accountable for breaking our laws. Now, I've heard many people say that we should grant them amnesty, this, that, and the other thing, because they can't be deported. And to be honest, I don't know how realistic that is or isn't. Okay? First off, I can't see granting these people amnesty because that in effect would again be, how should we put it, rewarding them for criminal behavior. You know, I mean, this to me, this is how it is. It's rewarding somebody for criminal behavior. Now, on the opposite side, no, there are, like they say, there are many people that come here in search of a better life, which I can understand. Okay? And this is where this kind of falls short too, if you'll pardon this analogy. Okay? They come here and they're illegal. Okay? Whatever jobs they get, they're gaining illegally. Okay? A lot of these illegals steal Social Security numbers for people so they can actually work jobs. That's also illegal. No, you're stealing somebody's identity. Okay? Now, just to give you a quick analogy, you know, what makes this different than, say, how should I put this? Let's say you have a father who has a child that is very sick and they have no money to pay for hospital bills. So that father goes out and robs a bank to get that money to pay for his son's or his child's, you know, doctor bill. Now, is what he doing, you know, in some respect trying to help his family? Of course. But does it make it right that he robbed a bank to do it and stole from other people? You know, I mean, this is, maybe it's not a great analogy, but this is something that to me has to be shown. Okay, it's like you cannot have people coming here illegal, taking services, okay, that don't pay proper taxes. I mean, I'm not saying that all illegals don't pay some form of tax, but if you're undocumented, you don't have a Social Security number, I don't see how you're paying taxes. I mean, I'm sure most of these people are being paid off the books. And if you're being paid off the books, then you're not paying taxes. Okay, maybe I'm wrong here, and somebody I'm sure will tell me how I'm wrong and maybe show me how I'm wrong. But let's get back to the question of the law in Arizona. I haven't actually read the whole law. I don't know how it's supposed to be run. Okay, supposedly it's not supposed to do any what they call racial profiling. Now, there's something I want to say about the word, that whole aspect, racial profiling. Okay, now one of my subscribers and somebody I'm subscribed to, Woody Rimshot Realize, made a video a little while back talking about the same thing. Okay, there is no such thing as racism. Okay, if you want to look at it, you know, from this perspective, no matter what country you come from, no matter where you are in this world, there is only one race, and that's the human race. We're all Homo sapiens. Okay? I mean, that's the genus, or genus, however the hell you're supposed to pronounce it. We're all Homo sapiens. Okay, so what it comes down to, it's not racism, it's ethnicism that's what's going on here. Now, you want to look at it this way. Everybody talks about equality, everybody talks about rights, okay? But there's a lot of things that go on, okay, that that people seem not to realize is not looking out for what we would call human rights, okay, for the whole race to begin with, okay? You have groups like the NAACP. They're looking out for the rights of what they would call either black people, African Americans, or any other of that group. Now you have you have that other group called La Raza, okay, and other groups like that. Who are they looking out for? They're looking out for Hispanic groups, okay? This has nothing to do with race. We're all humans, but yet these particular groups are looking out for the rights of a specific ethnicity, okay? And to me, that's part of what the problem is. It's not just the fact that we have illegals, okay? People that really should not even be in this country, okay, to begin with. I mean, this happens everywhere. This happens in every country, and every country has their own way of dealing with it. But what I'm saying here is, it has nothing to do with equality, okay, what these groups are doing, okay? What they are doing is looking out for one particular ethnicity. And that's how it is, okay? When all these groups are gone, and you have one particular group that's looking out for the rights of all people together, okay, that's the way it should be. But when you have a particular group looking out for the rights of this particular ethnicity, another group looking out for the rights of this particular ethnicity, you're never going to have equality. And this doesn't even, and I'm telling you, this doesn't even have to go with just ethnicities, okay? It even has to go with social groups, okay? Look at the problems with the gays and the lesbians these days, okay? You have so many religious groups that are against them that do whatever they can to keep these people down, okay? Is this equality? No, it's not. It really isn't, okay? Why should these people be treated any less or any different than anybody else in the damn country? You know, it's bullshit. It really is, okay? Now, to me, I have no problem with anybody that emigrates to this country legally. But to my mind, if you come here illegally, then you're a common criminal. To me, no matter what reason you did it, you're still a criminal. Okay, maybe you did it because you're looking for a better life, okay, and I can understand that, but when it comes right down to it, if you came here illegally, then you broke our laws. And to me, that doesn't make it any different than being a common criminal. You know, and that's just the way I see it. You know, now with regards to the Arizona law, yet again, is it good and is it bad? Okay, it's both good and bad. Okay, because they're going to be actually looking for specific groups, and people say that they're going to be targeting Hispanics. And obviously that's true, and a greater number of people in Arizona that are illegal are probably Hispanic, from either Mexico, South America, or any number of countries. Okay, and I don't know if this can be disputed or not. I could be wrong, but when you look at it, you know, it's like where does it stop? Where does it stop? The only way that anything could be really done, even with Arizona's law, it's not really going to stop it, okay, to be honest with you. No matter how many people they deport, if the borders are still open, these people can come back. There's no stopping that. So, you know, unless the government actually gets up off their asses and secures the border, okay, anything that Arizona is doing is really kind of a moot point to begin with. You know, I might make a part 2 of this video because I don't think I'm really getting all my points across here. You know, so if anybody has any issues here, you know, and wants to come back to me about this, you know, please comment and everything, because I'm already getting close to 10 minutes here, and I'm going to be able to have to stop this now. So I will redress any questions. I will probably make another video after I re-watch this and cover up any points that I probably missed. But, you know, just to be a quick point again, you know, it's like illegal is illegal, okay, regardless of what anybody wants to say, you know, so that's just the way I see it. Have a great day.